If you want to make a macrame wall hanging in multiple colors, you need either 3, 4 or 5 mm single strand cord. With one bundle you can make at least 2 large feathers. And with one XL spool you can make at least 6 large feathers. First of all, take a long piece of cord approximately 54 inch long, fold it in half, and place it underneath your wooden stick. Take a folded side of your cord and loop it around and pull the tails through and tighten it well. This is called the reverse lark's head knot. Then you need to cut a bunch of 7-inch long pieces of cord. So once you're ready, follow my steps. Half your first cord and place it underneath the main cord. Take another cord, also half it, and put it through the loop. Take the tails of the left cord, put them through the loop and tighten it well. And we're doing the same thing with the rest of our cords. To finish our feather, you need to cut 2 12-inch pieces of cord. Place the cords in a way that the shorter tail is on the top and the longer is at the bottom. Put the right piece of cord through the loop. Take the tails of the left cord and put them through the loop. And tighten. Now we're gonna make a square knot to fix our feather. Take the left side of the cord, put it over our main cords. Take your right cord and place it on top of your left one. Bring your right cord underneath the main cords and through the loop through the back. And tighten it. Take the right cord and place it over the main cord. Take the left cord and bring it behind the main cords. Pull and tighten your cords. Now you can cut the extra bits of your cords. To brush out your feather, you can use a hair comb or a dog brush. Trim your feather using sharp scissors. If all of your cords were cut equally, you don't need much trimming. Ta-da! And your feather piece is ready. If you have any more questions, please get in touch. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it.